Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to block ads. As you can see, there are ads everywhere. To hide the ads, go to uBlock origin. Click the first link and click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. Now the extension uBlock origin has been added to Chrome. Now if you refresh the page, all the ads will be gone. This also works for YouTube and everything else.